boy, let me tell you, it took me a while to get this, but doesn't that look nice? 2 coats of freshly installed sealer after I clean the floors. Shining. That's really good. And you know what? See that plastic? I've got a plastic bag up there because don't make the assumption that your shower head never drips, because if it takes just a couple little drips, it's going to get on your floor. See there? There's water in there, right there. And after you clean the floor, you want it to be 100% dry. You don't want to come back the next day getting ready to seal. See a nice little wet spot right there. Or a nice little wet spot right there after you seal the floor, because then the floor won't cure, okay? Make sure you put something like that up there. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. And yes, you can see all this stuff on my channel. How to clean a floor, natural stone floor, how to seal the floor. And the kitchen came out looking really nice too. This floor is a little bit darker per se, but that's because there's more dark tiles. Okay, but it still turned out really sharp. Okay, yeah, you probably want to see the other bathroom as well. Okay, fine. See how nice and shiny that is? 2 coats. If you just put 1 coat of sealer on there, it's going to soak up that natural stone and the grout lines. If it's never been sealed before, it's going to soak right on in there the first coat, and it'll hardly even look like you have any sealer on there at all. That's why you need to put 2 coats. Squeeze back in there. I didn't take the washer and dryer. I just squeezed back in there and cleaned that. And of course, you got to take the bifold little door out of there too. I've got videos of that, how to install or how to remove a bifold door like that, how to adjust one, how to reinstall one. It's quite easy when you know how. And if you have a cabinet like this, and if there's tile underneath it like that, get down on your belly and clean that and seal that too. Okay, all the way around the toilet, all the way on the back side. And this shower came out looking sharp too, especially that. And don't forget the walls. Oh yeah. You know, I was in here, I don't know, at least 6 hours just scrubbing and cleaning. And there's a trick to all this stuff. You watch it on my YouTube channel and you'll know how to do it too. I'm sitting here by the side of the road. I had to stop. Look at that. It looks like a rainbow, but it's right there on the ground. And up higher, I don't know if you can see it. Up a little bit further, there's another rainbow. It's kind of in there. It's not very bright. You see it up there? Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. I'm here in Maui. Wish you were here. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.